Battling with constant window condensation can be a real nightmare, whether it's a waterfall pouring down your windows or a steamy mist blocking your view requiring constant mopping. We all know this could eventually lead to causing mould on paintwork, curtains and blinds, not to mention causing wallpaper to peel. The problem can differ from window to window and property to property, but wherever it exists, it's a problem you can do without, and one we can help you with. We all run taps, boil kettles, cook and iron, so we are constantly creating a lot of moisture. Combine this with colder weather and central heating, and you've got the perfect recipe for condensation. With virtually no protection with single glazing or inefficient double glazing, the cold glass is the perfect setting for warm, moist air inside your property to condense and produce moisture. You could consider replacing your windows. This can be costly, messy, and you will need to consider redecoration costs. Choosing the right company from the many double glazing operators can be very tricky business. If you have the original timber or metal frame windows, it's likely that whatever you replace them with won't last as long. Plus, original windows bring a great deal of charm and character to your home, which can be a real feature of the building, and if removed, are lost forever, and they may even be protected by conservation or listed building status. For many property owners, removing the original windows is not an option. Clearview secondary glazing offers a simple, cost-effective, unobtrusive, completely reversible option packed with performance. Installing secondary glazing creates a thermal break between the outside cold glass and the internal moist air, so 95% of the moisture is prevented from coming into contact with the outside glass. The 5% of moisture remaining in the chamber causes little effect. In addition, in severe cases, the thermal chamber can have moisture-absorbing products introduced, making it 10 times more effective and far longer lasting. This management option can dry out the windows for an entire season. Clearview secondary glazing units are quick and easy to install all year round in all weathers, and better still, no decoration is required after fitting. The simplicity of installation means they are perfect for the average DIYer. Clearview provide free, extensive technical guidance and support online and on the phone, and if DIY isn't your bag, you can engage a local tradesman to fit the glazing for you. From 15th century listed public houses, churches and Victorian townhouses, to modern apartment blocks, commercial buildings, schools and hotels, we have solutions for all types of property. With sliding, hinging or removable options available as tailored combinations, virtually all window designs and shapes can be catered for, giving great performance and all year round easy access for cleaning and ventilation. The systems can be supplied in a range of colour options to complement your existing windows and style of property. A wide range of glass options, including branded acoustic glass, can be accommodated to ensure maximum performance is achieved for all budgets. Not only will Clearview secondary glazing tackle your condensation problem, secondary glazing can also increase the thermal efficiency of the window by 65%, combat intrusive noise problems, and add an additional layer of security to your property. If you're looking for a peaceful, warmer, safe and secure home or place of work, Clearview secondary glazing are here to help, and we look forward to speaking to you.